Hi everybody, welcome to Live with Children. We're in Milan for CPHI and it's the late morning of day one. And I'm delighted to be at the TriLink BioTechnologies booth and I'm joined by Evan Myers. He's going to tell us more about TriLink BioTechnologies and what they're doing here. So first of all, Evan, it's lovely to meet you. How are you?
I'm doing great, thank you for asking. How are you this morning?
I'm very well. Now, we're into the late morning as I said. How's it gone so far?
It's going great. This conference is spectacular. It's huge. We're getting lots of foot traffic at our booth, lots of meetings and great discussions, technical and sales around our capabilities, and I'm excited to see more to come.
Fantastic. Now, for people not familiar with TriLink BioTechnologies, can you give viewers an overview of the business?
Yeah, of course. TriLink BioTechnologies is a CDMO. We are part of a parent company called Maravai. We make end-to-end drug substance manufacturing along with the raw materials and inputs, including oligonucleotides, small molecules in our clean cap technology or NTPs, as well as oligonucleotides. We have enzymes as well within our AlphaZyme company. But really just supporting end-to-end drug substance from discovery through BLA-enabling commercial phases.
Brilliant. Now this week at CPHI though, is there anything in particular that you're looking to showcase to visitors?
Yeah, we have our new capping technology. It's been around for a little over a year, which is M6. We also, like I mentioned, have a recently opened BLA-enabling mRNA facility. So really trying to highlight some of our IVT optimization, some of our downstream processing capabilities that can support people as they move phases, whether that's discovery or late phase, and how some of our different raw materials and capabilities can help support that. So really excited to highlight and showcase that here today.
Fantastic. Now, as you mentioned, you're a CDMO and we're at CPHI. This is a huge show, lots of other companies here. So what differentiates the services and solutions you provide compared to those, and what makes you unique and different?
Yeah, I think and you can see it by some of our representation here, whether it's technical expertise or some of our commercial people here, open to these discussions. TriLink really offers, a boutique experience, not something that's super large business, but really that middle biotech that can support you and is willing to collaborate with you and really partner with you as you move into late phase, as you're trying to do screening. Really, this is a relationship and partnership that we're on on the same venture as you are, as well as our technologies. Our technologies are best in class. We do have a co-transcriptional capping analog that's been part of commercial manufacturing, and I'm just excited to have the opportunity to share that with people at this conference.
Brilliant, Evan. Well, that's fantastic. Look, there you go, viewers. If you're here at CPHI in Milan this week, come and talk to Evan and the rest of the team. They'll be delighted to tell you more about their capabilities. If you cannot do that though, follow them on LinkedIn, go to their website, and you can meet TriLink at many other events throughout the year as well. So Evan, once again, thank you for your time. Enjoy your time in Milan. Hopefully it doesn't rain all the time we're here this week. And viewers, until next time, as always, stay well and stay safe. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much.